Hi everybody and welcome back to my Fitness. So today we're going to do 12 minutes Tabata workout, and for this workout you're not going to need any equipment, just your exercise mat, and we're going to do 8 different exercises for 3 rounds in total. So now get ready, do a little warm up, of course 5-minute warm up. It's always very good to do, and then join me and let's do this together. Okay, before we start, we're gonna do the proper form and modifications. So, first one, we're gonna have jump squats. So, your feet are facing forward, you're gonna go down into the squat position and then you just jump up. Okay, if this is too hard for you, you can just do the regular squats from the side, booty going backwards, and also make sure that your knees don't go over your toes, and then jump up and land softly. Okay, so next one, we're going to do lunge back into the kick forward. So one leg will go backwards into the lunge position, shoulders back and down, abs engaged, and then you're going to kick forward and the same leg goes back at the same time. If you're going to have issues with the balance, always hold on something, do the lunge back and kick forward. Alright, then we change to the other side. Next exercise is uneven push-up. So one arm will be closer to your body, the other one will be a little bit on front. So it's like that. So you go down uneven and then you basically change your arms and do push-up like that. Beginners go from your knees, yeah? So the same thing, just that you do the exercise from your knees. Alright, so basically one arm will do the tricep push-up, the other arm will do a regular chest push-up. Okay, next one we have frog jumps. This is intense cardio. So you're gonna jump closer inside, like this, bending your knees and jump back, down, down, in, back, down. Make sure that you land softly and be cautious of your knees. And if you cannot jump, just step, 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 step. Alright. Okay, so next one we have crab toe touches. So you're gonna flip over to the tabletop position and you're gonna touch the opposite toe with the opposite hand. Yeah? And also if this is too hard for you, you can always just go up like this, you don't have to touch, or you just do the leg kick ups. Okay. And next one, we're gonna go into the plank. We're gonna do the hip touches. You're gonna go into the elbow plank, and now we're gonna just drop your hips down and rotate basically in your waist. Make sure that everything is tight and super strong. This is also good for the beginners. Just go a little bit with a lower intensity, yeah? And then we're gonna go into the low jacks. You're gonna bend slightly in the knees, and then you're just gonna jump together and apart, yeah? If you don't wanna jump again, just do the step outs and step ins. Alright, so I covered everything. We're gonna go for 3 rounds in total, 10 seconds of your rest and 20 seconds of your work. It's altogether 24 rounds, and I'm not going to give you any break, but if you do need a break between, just take it, skip maybe one exercise and then continue when you're ready. Okay? Alright, so I'll press my timer now. Take a sip of water. It's gonna be intense, but it's gonna be really, really worth it because those are short exercises and they are amazing. Ready? Let's start. Okay, so we have first 10 seconds of our rest, going into the first exercise, which is jump squats. Let's go. Push your hips back, abs tight, and we go. Back lunges to kick forward. And we go back, kick forward. Look somewhere in front of you to get the balance. Good job. Okay, the other side. 3, 2, 1, and we go. Kick forward, back. Big step back. You can also have your hands in the waist or front. Okay, we go down to uneven push-ups. And we go. Abs tight. Okay, next one we have frog jumps. 3, 2, 1. Back is straight. Fractal touches, next one. Last one. All right, you're on your elbows. And we're gonna do the plank hip touches. The core is tight. Okay, and we have one more in the first round. So low jacks. 3, 2, and we go. Abs tight. Okay, first round down. Back to the first exercise, which is jump squats. Let's go. Good job. Back lunge to kick forward. And we go. Kick forward. Catch your breath in those 10 seconds you have. And we go. Good job. uneven push-ups. Go down. Let's go. Frog jumps. Okay, flip over to the toe grab touches. Okay, hip touches next one. 2, 1, and then we go. Get up and low jacks. Oh. Stay low. All right, good job. 2 rounds down. 1 more. Now it's gonna get tough. You can do this. Come on. Woo. All right. Woo. Back lunge, kick forward. And we go. Shake that standing leg. 3, 2, 1. Uneven push-ups. We can do this, come on. One more. Frog jumps. Grab those touches. Reach. Deep touches. Come on. And the final one. Hello, Jack. Let's go. And then, good job. Great job. Okay. Now, make sure that you do your cool down and daily stretches. That's really, really important. So, this is all for today. 12 minutes Tabata is done. Hope you liked it, and yeah, see you tomorrow with another workout. Ciao. Bye bye.